everybody, I just wanted to hop on her hair real quick and show you my new watch band. So it's this Disney World style band. It's got the castle with some Mickey heads, the fireworks, and then all the little Mickey snacks, and they're so super cute. So I'm going to put it on my watch and then I'll show you how it looks on. So to remove the original strap, you're just going to hold this button down and pull it out, which I'm going to do real quick, but I need 2 hands. And then the new one will go right in there. So I'm going to pop it in and see how it looks. So it just snaps right into place on both sides and looks good. I'm going to put it on. Alright, so this is how it looks on. And I will say that the closure is the same as the other one, except it has a metal clasp here instead of this kind of plastic, and instead of this piece it's just a regular like watch strap, and then it tucks back in, and then same thing, it tucks in, and so you don't have anything tangling, just like the original strap does. So I'm really excited about it, and it goes so well, and I can't wait to wear it.
Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.